marvel at the work of your gospel.
God will use yung sharing ng in sa mga lessons na ito.
Stress nyo sis, diba sis? Or
Like an athlete in training, we are continually shaped by the Word, becoming more Christ-like. So another thing. And
you like lesson. So it says here in the introduction or even in the acceptance of salvation. Now think about the life of the person is siguro
To follow up, we can say a short prayer.
Kumbaga, God's Word. Sa pangalawa,
On lesson 4. So just like what has been mentioned earlier,
It's about tribulations, trials.
By doing this, you will be ready for your next fight. Sa picture po ninyo, just like a soldier, he needs a defender.
So ngayon naman po, proceed tayo sa lesson 7, a new fellowship.
ang detailed description ng ating Panginoon.
especially if we follow a study series. So again, just a few minutes before we come dito. Before